ladies and gents. Well, well, well. I guess we meet again. I guess we meet again on another little vloggy vlog. As I try to figure out what it is exactly that people here are doing. It's confusing. It's a confusing situation because driving is just it's a tricky thing. Where are you going? Maybe, kinda, sorta. Driving is a tricky concept, especially when you are stupid as fuck. Get it? I just insulted everybody. I just insulted all the drivers on the personal level. I called them really stupid, really silly. But that's what I do best. I basically just like talk a little bit of smack, you know, a little smack, a little this, a little that. Nothing too crazy now. But look at these fine tourists. They're about to stroll across the bridge. Good for them. Good for them. It's a beautiful situation. Yeah, so right now it's Thursday, and you know, I'm heading back from work. Had enough for the day. I still have to reply to like 14,000 emails. Well, no, I have to reply to like 10 emails. Look at that license plate, 777176. So anyway, I have to reply to a bunch of emails, and then oh, what's going on with my shifter? But I also have to do two other things. Where are they? Oh, right. I have to finish this one video. Bro, you gonna fucking go or what are you doing? Fucking dumbass. Fucking dumbass. I need to figure out a different way to insult people, because fucking dumbass is a very passive thing for me, but it sounds extremely aggressive to certain people. Thank you. It's very interesting how casually people drive, you know, in the rain. It's like it's a weird little weird concept for folks, you know. They're all like taking it easy and chilling out, which is probably a fantastic thing, probably very smart of everybody, you know. But me, woohoo! Me, I go woohoo. I gotta turn off the gloves though, because it's fucking too warm. I don't know why because whenever I wear my heated gear, I always or gloves, I always feel the need to like turn them on right away, even if I don't need it. Because right now it's like 45 degrees. It's fucking summertime. I'm wearing an extra layer of thermals, and I don't even need that. You know what I mean? I don't even need thermals. Could have just worn fucking just regular old nothing. Oh, I should have put on my little speedometer. I have this little digital speedometer app thing. That's kind of cute, kind of adorable. I rode with it yesterday, and it was telling me like max speed and a couple of other parameters. So, but yeah, I'm working on this little 360 camera vlog, which is it's gonna be interesting because once again it's raw, you know, so you get to see the whole picture. I don't tell you where to look, you know what I mean? I don't tell you where to look, I show you the whole fucking thing. Oh brother, why is there Look at this shit, hilarious. I'm gonna actually pull over to the side because I need to get off, but at the same time I don't have interest in these gaps that people are holding between each other. Like, look at this truck. Like, what the fuck is this person doing? No idea. No idea what anybody's doing. It's confusing. So I have a number of tasks to take care of today, and one of them is being watch like 5 episodes of Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty is my new favorite show. You cannot even, I can't even tell you how much I love Rick and Morty. It's incredible. It's literally the best thing that has ever happened to me in my life. Can't believe it. It's okay. I'll just wait. You know, that dude right there is chilling. I like the mohawk. It's kind of hot. Kind of a hot little situation. And I just had some listen to it. Damn, the spark plug is fucked. You hear it? Like one of the cylinders completely cuts out. Bro, what are you doing? Anyway, don't know what to tell you there, broskies. This is it. That's all I got to offer for today. So, till the next vlog, I gotta replace these spark plug wires. Goddamn garbage. Fucking trash.